I thought I'd make a quick video of those who are looking to get into motorcycle riding and curious about the motorcycle safety course that a lot of people take. And I personally have taken it and I'm a big fan of it. I believe everyone should. That's where I learned how to ride. Before I took that course, I had no idea. I never even sat on a motorcycle besides like maybe when I was a baby for a picture on a cop's bike. But when I went to that course, I was very intimidated. I didn't know the difference between clutch and throttle. So, it's definitely been a lot has happened since that moment. But when I went to that class, I honestly didn't know what to expect. So I figured I would share, kind of if you're looking to get into that, just so you're mentally prepared. It's not as intimidating as it seems if it does seem that way. The cost ranges from $90 to $300. I think I paid $90 for it. And it's a 2 to 3 day course. I did the 2-day one. The 2-day one is a little bit longer. If you do the 3-day course, it's a little bit shorter, but spanned out for 3 days. There's a classroom portion where they teach the basics of kind of the theory of riding a motorcycle and the laws, and they kind of prep you for the test. The one I did, they do the test right at site. So they kind of prep you for the questions that you might be able to expect, but they also want you to understand everything too. It's not like they're just giving you the answers for those questions just so you pass. And a majority of people who were in my class and then other people I've spoken to who've taken those classes, they have also never ridden or just barely once or twice. So don't feel like you're gonna go there and you're gonna be the only one who's never sat on a bike, because in most cases, you're gonna be part of the majority in the group. Sometimes, yes, there are people who are there just to get, the paper, but they've been riding, but they haven't had their license. There, they do provide you a motorcycle, and don't be scared to drop it. Those motorcycles are there to be learned from. The only thing you have to bring is jeans, riding shoes, gloves, and a helmet. And I think they make you wear long sleeve. You can't be, long sleeve jeans and long sleeve shirts. But you got to bring your own helmet. You got to have the proper shoes. They specify which type of shoes. It's not no crazy motorcycle shoes, but just no open toes. And I think they want the heels covered. And they want you to have gloves as well. And that's about it, really. It's the fail rate in those classes is very low, and I think the majority of reason why if people do fail that class, it's due to the nerves getting to the best of them. So go there, and it's okay to not know. You're there to learn. So use that opportunity to gain experience and eat up as much knowledge as you can. But for the most part, it's not really much to it. It's more of just going there and getting it done, and then you get your license, and then you continue on with the motorcycle journey. For me, that was the very start, and from there, I fell absolutely in love with motorcycles. And that, caused me to change careers to go become a mechanic. Who knows where it'll take you, but it's worth taking that first step to learning a skill. Not even if it doesn't become a lifelong passion, it's just stepping out of the boundaries and teaching yourself something new and building self-confidence. So I highly, suggest if you've been considering it, you're just watching motorcycle content online and kind of playing with the idea of going to go get your license or not, I believe it's worth it. I highly suggest it. And if people who are watching this, you took those classes, write your experiences in the comments so other people can see and get a better understanding, or if I forgot to mention something. I want to kind of make this a short video because there's really not that much to it and it doesn't need to be stretched out. But I hope y'all all go out there and do those classes and hope y'all pass. Just study good, study the, it's kind of like a driving test, know the signs, distances, and kind of, it's not rocket science, so I encourage y'all to just go and take that step. And yeah, thanks for watching this video. I will see y'all next video. Y'all have a good day. Stay safe out there. But most of all, don't forget to love those around you.